Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to make the same shake. Now I'm going to add 2 grams of salt and a lemon to my shake. That is 2 grams of salt and 1 lemon. Do you know why? Because I want to hydrate myself. I add that to a liter of liquid or water because it's important to remember that sweat is salty, urine is salty when it comes out of the body, and feces are salty too. This is because our bodies lose essential salts and minerals through these fluids. So when we rehydrate, we need to replace not just the water, but also the salts that are lost. That's what scientists say, and that's what doctors say. Whatever you lose in water and salt, you have to put back in. Every liter of water you lose takes 4 grams of salt out of your body. That's why salt is important. What they tell you about salt out there is false. The thing is, you have to drink water. Watch how I'm going to do it.
Add a lemon and 2 grams of salt to your shake. Improved hydration replenishes electrolytes. Vitamin C boosts the immune system. Improves digestion. Stimulates gastric juices. Electrolyte balance maintains sodium levels. Refreshing flavor. Perfect. So the updated summary would be: benefits of the watermelon shake with lemon, salt, strawberry, mango, and blueberries. Hydration. Watermelon and the fruits provide plenty of water, and the salt helps replenish electrolytes, vitamins, and antioxidants. Lemon, strawberries, mango, and blueberries provide vitamin C and antioxidants, strengthening the immune system. Digestion. Lemon stimulates digestion and improves nutrient absorption. Natural energy. Fruits like mango and strawberries.
These different delicious fruits, that's exactly what Energy Boosts Campo Verde proudly offers to its customers. They sell it at Walmart. You can get it there, but you can also make your own and store it. You can chop it up yourselves. So I am going to add something here, just like this. Let's look around for a little while. Half a tablespoon of salt measured precisely. Something like that. That's about 2 grams of salt. Let's add a little more. There. I toss it in. That's going to give it an amazing flavor. Now let us use the fresh, juicy yellow lemon. Now we're going to add the fresh, real lemon. A whole lemon. This is what's going to keep me hydrated all day. This smoothie has all the nutrients. A NutriBullet that this is going to be like a natural electrolyte drink. A natural electrolyte drink, that's what this means. It's going to hydrate you every time you go, when you go to the hospital and they give you an IV, they put 4 grams of salt in a liter of water, and that's all it has. Check it out and you'll see. Thank you. Here it is. This is my natural smoothie. Delicious, just as it is. Of course, if you can drink beer and rum, don't tell me you can't drink this. Of course. I always rinse this out right away so my wife doesn't get mad at me because I have to rinse it immediately. As soon as you finish your smoothie, rinse it right away. That way it gets clean faster. Don't leave it dirty. Don't leave things dirty. I have to go to work, and this is my daily hunt. Every morning I add 2 grams of salt, just as I always do, because I'm going to use the rest of the salt for the food later on. Yes. You already know, my people, a smoothie that's like a serum. It'll keep you hydrated all day long. 2 grams of salt, 1 lemon in your whole smoothie. If you make it like this with fruit, natural fruit, strawberry, it has blueberry, it has watermelon, it has a lemon, it has 2 grams of salt, 2 grams of salt. No sugar, 2 grams of salt. You already know, my people.